Well, good idea, because we are working on e-health, so there is a strong commitment in our region about e-health, and we can say in a very precise way which will be the final main goal or topic of our e-health, since we have just had our first regional workshop and we have raised a lot of interest from our stakeholders. So we have different topics to be concentrated on and to work on, and we actually don't know really which sub-theme of e-health we will concentrate our effort in the pilot action. We have some ideas because we have had a lot of proposition from our territory, but we are waiting from our side to have the second regional workshop to better concentrate our few resources on a well-defined sub-team. And then on the other side, we need to wait from a strong consolidated methodology from the Central Lab project to really concentrate ourselves in a subthematic which could be shaped between all the other partners. So to create something which could be of common interest from the other partners involved in the subthematic. And that's why we cannot say, okay, we will work on this item or this other item.
Can you say maybe what will be the final product or service at the end?
This is the problem, because the e-health is such a broad field, and we can go to work towards, I don't know, some material services for final users, or something more related to the organization of e-health, or we have an interesting ideas about some marks to be put on the car of people with some health problem, and so all those are different options. And so the final goal, it depends on the really strong commitment, not only from our directorate, but even from the directorate, which is the health directorate. And so we have to wait until March to be more sure on even on the final objective. Mm-hmm. For sure, there is, as we are the Directorate for Innovation and Research, there is a strong component of ICT, and so this should be the base to develop a pilot action.
Mm-hmm. And so the target consumers.
It depends. It depends. Not only consumers, but maybe, I don't know, elderly people. So something more related to the so-called wellness, which is one of the challenge of the strategy Europe 2020. Or maybe something more related to the local authorities, so from an organizational point of view, from a policy point of view. For sure, there is a strong involvement of the end user, as suggested by the Living Lab approach. And that's it, but we cannot be more precise at this stage.
So in first line you will adopt actually your innovation to your local environment.
Yes.
And if possible, then you will wide this on the wider area.
Yes,
of Europe.
Because innovation is something, you know, such a big definition. Innovation. What is innovation? So it depends on the kind of subthematic in which we concentrate our effort. Mm-hmm.